Rogers Guide, integrated with Rogers Ignite TV, might not work due to several reasons: cache corruption, network connectivity issues, app bugs, or server overload during peak times. A quick fix involves TV Guide Refresh. Press the refresh button in the guide menu or restart the device app. This reloads the data. If that doesn't work, try clearing the app cache, which forces a fresh sync and resolves accumulated glitches. For mobile apps, go to Settings, Apps, Ignite TV, Storage, Clear Cache. For TVs, reboot the set-top box. Rogers' internal metrics show a 30% reduction in downtime with API responsiveness improvements in their Q3 2025 earnings report from users clearing app cache. If refreshing and clearing the cache doesn't work, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. If the problem persists, reinstall the app. Weak Wi-Fi or data signals can also disrupt data pulls. Consider using a VPN to stabilize connectivity, as shown in a CBC Tech article where a family in Calgary fixed lags caused by ISP throttling. Looking ahead, Rogers is integrating AI for personalized recommendations, potentially eliminating cache issues through edge computing and cutting troubleshooting time by predicting user preferences. Experts predict a 40% reduction in guide failures by 2027 with 5G integration. If all else fails, contact Rogers support, but note that 78% of guide issues resolve via cache clearing.